Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today, some NERF. Yeah, it feels that awesome. And what I am firing here is a NERF BFG. So much fun. I know what you're thinking, and yeah, reloading is lots of fun. Like best time ever. Time of my life. And now, let's do it again. And for a tiny bit of insight there, I have combined all the, I'm going to show a bit of that later. Combined them all with a metal plate and made a new priming mech. Like hooked up the common metal plate to a metal bar, and now you can prime them all and fire them all at the same time. Oh, hey, no. Right here you can see I even put in some lights. Switches on the other side, and yeah, again, that's the priming knob. You put it back and forth, and there's the new trigger. Hooked up to the flat bar running to the plate that primes them all. And that's actually it. The yellow hoses are just decoration. I wanted to give it a more cyberpunky look, so I added some hoses and tubes. The paint job is also pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Nothing special, just 2 tones of metallic gray, and that's actually it. That's actually it. 3 rough cuts combined in the coolest way possible. Hope you like it. And that's it for today. I hope you had as much fun watching as me knocking over all these little cups. That was really fun. And yeah, next time probably another laser. Go back and check out the other ray guns if you're new to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys next time.